Top 5 tips to manage a micromanaging manager. Micromanagers are generally overly involved bosses. They try to monitor and track the work very closely. For example, a manager that calls you frequently to know the status of the new product release presentation. You need to be fast in recognizing a micromanager and learn to deal with them. Here are 5 steps that will help you. Number 1. Ask questions. Sometimes the constant micromanaging can be due to their lack of confidence or any past experiences. Sometimes a micromanager for you may not be the same for your other teammates. There is always some room for improvement. Have a conversation with your manager and try to know their opinion. Ask them what are their expectations from you. How often will you be required to provide status inputs? If there is something you lack, and how can you upskill in the same? Number 2. Try to know their goals. It has been mentioned before that there are certain projects which are critical. Managers are burdened with their targets and are judged by their seniors on several parameters. From your conversation, draw insight into how your manager is being reviewed by his seniors. Understand how the work needs to be done and when. Try to go in line with your manager's goal. Give them updates from your side. Try to follow their model of work. Be flexible for changes. Number 3. Try to identify hindrances. Managers are difficult to deal with generally, but not impossible. Some are hardwired to micromanage. Their work tactics may not be suitable for you. For example, a manager that calls you during your sick leave and asks you to update a client. The situation is tricky. Ask yourself a question. Could it be done by someone else? If yes, it is something you must not worry about. When you are on a leave, if not, then think about how a last minute situation can be avoided in the future. Good management involves planning out employees' unavailability and client work well. Number 4. Try to earn their trust. Micromanagement can be deep rooted with a lack of trust. As an instinct, the manager feels the need to check in regularly. Think about the last mistake you made at your workplace and if it can be the reason for the sudden change in the behavior towards you. Try to avoid making mistakes, commit to deadlines, and update your manager from your own side. Number 5. Be amiable and respectful. There can be several disagreements and conflict in your workplace. You may feel the constant check-ins are unnecessary, but remember that a manager has more years of experience and knowledge generally. Try to be respectful and ease their work. It would be easier for you to plan your work according to the manager's working style. Be prepared for calls, schedule time beforehand, and provide update from your own side. So these were the 5 tips to manage a micromanaging manager. So if you like the video, please consider subscribing the channel. Also check out mysocialcapital.in. See you guys in the next one.